Trying to find the best dash cam for you? Whether you want peace of mind, lower insurance premiums or the ability to record motoring mishaps for your YouTube channel, dash cams make it easy to capture footage while you're driving. And we've tested all of the best ones to bring you this exhaustive guide. Type the words dash cam into Amazon and the number of search results that appear can be intimidating. But nestled in amongst the pile of offerings is this Chinese brand that flaunts professional spec dash cams that cost up to half as much as some of the market leaders. The front lens, which is arguably the most important here, is comprised of 6 individual glass elements and packs a whopping f/1.8 aperture, making it brilliant for capturing crisp imagery in low-light situations. On top of this, a second f/2 lens faces the cabin and is supported by 4 IR LED lights to boost what is often tricky, gloomy footage via an excellent Sony IMX323 sensor. Although not for everyone, this sort of functionality is perfect for professional drivers who may or may not want to relive any incidents that occur late on a Friday night. There's also a built-in microphone to record sound. Continuous loop recording is a given here, as is G-sensor technology that detects an incident and will automatically save the footage to the micro SD card. However, buyers will have to plump for an optional GPS mount that saves data on speed and location alongside the video file. Thanks largely to the brilliant Sony sensor, image quality is generally very good and linking the device to a laptop or PC is as simple as it gets. Front and rear footage is handily divided into 2 separate files too, reducing the time spent browsing the various folders for the desired clip. Kenwood might be a brand that's most associated with subwoofers and colorful head units favored by boy racers, but its recent line of dash cams is sleek and packed with cutting-edge technology. Oh, and they're very good too. This DRV830 unit might not be compatible with existing Kenwood head units, but it sports its own 3-inch full-color TFT display, making reviewing and saving clips a doddle. The viewing angle of 144 degrees is among some of the widest on the market, and the 1440p footage is perfectly good in both day and low light conditions. Advanced driver assist systems, such as lane departure and front collision warnings, are built into the system, but many will find them a tad annoying. Thankfully, they can be switched off by rummaging through the numerous settings. Footage is automatically captured via 3-axis G-force detection hardware, and the camera will manage storage by overwriting any older files that haven't been saved. That said, if you are the sort of person who likes to regularly save clips, this camera boasts some of the largest memory available thanks to 2 SDHC micro card slots, capable of a massive 256 GB with the appropriate cards. Garmin's first dual-lens dash cam allows you to view what's going on both inside and outside the car while you are driving, which is handy for taxi drivers and others wanting to keep an eye on their passengers. Extremely compact in design, the dash cam tandem features a clip-in magnetic mount and can be easily installed below the rearview mirror and removed when not in use. 2 lengths of USB cable are provided, as is a cigarette lighter USB socket with 2 ports for charging your phone at the same time. However, if you want to use the dash cam for incident recording, you will need to get it professionally installed so it's constantly recording. Key for control of the camera is the Garmin Drive app, where you can review video and audio footage from your drives without having to take the micro SD card out of the camera. Picture quality is generally excellent, especially from the front camera. And while the rear camera struggles a bit in very low light, you can still make out passengers reasonably clearly in black and white. There's also a picture-in-picture option, so you can view both rear and front-facing camera footage simultaneously. Rather usefully, footage is displayed with a timestamp, the speed of the vehicle and its location. Voice control is also provided, which enables hands-free control with instructions such as OK Garmin, take a picture, or OK Garmin, save video. Thanks to an excellent 2.19MP Sony Exmor CMOS sensor and full HD recording, the TWF770 has cracking video footage as its star attraction, although a handful of extra flourishes provide an added bonus. Designed to be mounted just beneath the rearview mirror, the TWF770 features just a few small buttons and no external screen. The reason? It can be linked to a smartphone via its onboard Wi-Fi. This enables clips to be quickly and easily sent to a smart device, should you need to access them quickly, but it does add an additional step to any settings and menu changes. A Super Night Vision feature boosts low light settings for improved image quality at night, while a neat time-lapse feature acts as a CCTV camera when the vehicle is parked. Bear in mind that this mode will require hardwiring the unit into the vehicle's power supply, however, as is the case with most cameras featured on this list, rather than simply using a standard 12 volts lighter adapter. An onboard GPS tracker, as well as speed and upcoming red traffic signal warnings make this a very accomplished piece of kit. Those doing high mileage on a regular basis, braving all conditions and types of roads, will likely want to part with a little extra for their dash cam. We're not suggesting the camera needs to boast lots of fancy gizmos and superfluous tech, but spending a bit more means image quality is improved. This is very handy in the case of an accident, especially in a hit-and-run scenario, where reading a number plate from a distance and making out any distinguishing features can be the difference between catching a perpetrator and ending up with a hefty insurance claim. Sitting very much at the premium end of the dashcam spectrum, this package from Blackview includes front and rear-facing cameras, both of which capture the action in HD quality. The 162-degree field of view feels absolutely perfect for the task in hand and rids the resulting footage of that awkward fisheye look that some wider-angle cameras suffer from. Paranoid owners can also make use of Blackview's advanced intelligent park mode, which essentially carries on recording when the vehicle is powered down. This is possible thanks to the Power Magic Pro, which is wired into the vehicle's battery and ensures the dashcam doesn't deplete reserves when recording overnight.